100 wildfires burning across Russia's Siberia. The fires are more intense this year due to high temperatures and a prolonged drought. It is feared the fires could significantly damage the region's ecosystem.
And New South Wales have been facing catastrophic fire danger at the highest level possible. And for the first time, Sydney has seen this threat level since the warning system was introduced back in 2009. At least 71 bushfires are burning across New South Wales.
On average, wildfires burn up to 340 million acres of land in the world each year. While they can start naturally, wildfires are often caused by humans with devastating consequences. Wildfires are large, uncontrolled infernos that burn and quickly spread through wild landscapes. Since wildfires occur outdoors, they have a nearly endless supply of oxygen from our atmosphere to burn. In 2019, hundreds of wildfires raged in the Arctic Circle, the highest number ever recorded. This coincided with one of the warmest years on record in the Arctic.
Wildfires have been burning along the Arctic Circle for months now, releasing record amounts of greenhouse gases. Scientists say the fires across Siberia, fueled by abnormally high temperatures, are contributing to global warming.
As conditions get warmer and drier, and this summer actually, last July, the warmest month ever recorded as we take the temperature of our planet on a whole, those conditions allow areas that would normally be too wet to burn to become more fire prone, and areas that were already at risk of fire to become bone dry and at risk of a more extreme wildfire that's more difficult to suppress. So our changing planet has directly impacted the way in which fires are occurring throughout a longer fire season and in a more extreme and fast-moving fires that are more difficult to suppress.
Where fuels are abundant today and where climate change is leading to warmer and drier conditions, we are already seeing more extreme fire behavior. According to recent federal data, the last decade was the warmest on record. During the summer of 2020, fires burned in the Arctic as parts of Siberia broke the record for the highest temperature ever recorded above the Arctic Circle. They are almost always too cold and too wet to burn. So as those landscapes, which are warming 3 times faster than the rest of the planet, continue to warm and dry.
Where a thick haze is enveloping Melbourne as smoke from the bushfires shroud the city. Victoria's Chief Health Officer says the air quality was the worst in the world overnight. It's making people cough and wheeze and causing nose, eye and throat irritation.
But there are limits to what this can achieve. Temperatures are expected to rise by about 3 degrees this century. In many parts of the world, homes that used to be safe will find themselves at risk of fires. Better managing our planet and its forests helps overcoming our fear of fire and using technology to fight the ones that threaten our lives.